एक बार खोल दे हम लोग, बस यहीं पे हो, अंदर बाहर जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं, और क्या चाहिए।
Who are more desperate in first year, girls or boys?
Second year.
I am Manik Singh. I am from BECUE.
Nice. You?
I am Ashish. I'm from BCA.
Good afternoon, I am Krishnan, BE Electrical. Gaurav Kakkad, I just completed my BE Mechanical Engineering.
I am Dharini. I was in the computer science class.
Karan Gulade, Computer Science. Ishpreet Singh, Computer Science.
Best memory of Thapar?
This is going on record.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll have to think of some other best memory now.
No, it's okay.
Okay, you almost jumped into the girl hostel.
Oh, that's fine. Both of you?
Almost, yeah.
Okay. Best buddies?
Probably has to be my first year. Because I met a lot of people over here.
Okay.
Mine has to be last year because so many memories are created.
Elevate.
Yes.
Elevate, definitely.
Getting over loud at Elevate. I think seeing her drunk in Elevate.
Yeah, my Saturnalia experience. I forget.
So would you describe your Saturnalia experience? How was it being the OSC of one of the biggest fish of North India?
Actually, this is a big phrase that you are speaking about. But yeah, anyways, whatever it was wonderful.
You can't say there is one memory, lots of memories. Well, of course, best memories are getting high with your friends and making lots of more memories after getting high.
Who are more desperate in first year, girls or boys?
Second years.
That wasn't an option. That wasn't an option.
I think
What is the basis of this question? Like, how do you define this?
Because I am a first year student, so I
Okay.
just wanted to ask. That's it.
Okay, so the boys obviously.
Okay.
Definitely boys. Senior boys.
Okay. What about you?
Boys.
Boys.
Boys, obviously.
Okay. Fine.
Everyone is equally desperate, but no one gets anything.
No, you can tell about your batch. You can tell about your batch.
I don't know that all the boys were desperate,
Okay.
but because of unequal ratio, so all the boys were running after one girl only, all the other girls got ignored. So
Oh.
I don't know.
Sad.
Yeah, I was in mechanical engineering, so I only know about boys, and we were really desperate. I don't know about girls. We never had any interaction with them.
I think it's not the first year that is more desperate. Once you enter second and third year, you are more desperate to see who has come in the first year. Both girls and boys.
Okay.
Both of them are more desperate to see who are in the first year because they both want to see if the crowd is good or not and if they can hit on anybody or not.
Chandigarh, yeah. Best night out destination.
Night out destination would be. It would be crashing parties.
Crashing a wedding, yes.
Yeah, crashing a wedding.
Okay.
Best night out destination.
Best night out destination was McLeodganj. I went with my friends, so that was quite fun. Plus, Kasoli was like once in every 2 weeks we used to go and chill out there. So,
Nearby Patiala, you can say there is a hideout that we used to have. It's near Kasoli, and whenever we want to drink or we want to have just one beer, also we just used to go over there. And there's a hotel over there. It's a wonderful hotel. You can go in groups, you can have fun, you can come back. That's the whole point of it. And you get good butter chicken over there. So
We had a plenty of night outs. Like every weekend was a night out. But yeah, we sometimes went to Kasoli graveyard.
Your best night out destination?
Night out destination, Chandigarh.
Chandigarh.
I went to Rishikesh in first semester. So that was your best night of the year.
Mine is Shimla.
Okay.
Caught while going to the ladies' bathroom.
most embarrassing situation used to be MST, ST only people used to ask marks. I remember my most embarrassing situation first semester. I got 0.5 marks in physics.
I got a 0. So we have a very similar.
So that's
college
okay
life.
now because I'm also in first year. It's going damn bad.
It's right direction.
I don't want to answer that. Pass.
Seeing her
And
drunk
nobody,
in elevator.
nobody answers that. Nobody answers the same.
Same for both of us.
Okay.
Seeing her sleeping.
That's it. That's it. That's what. Okay, bye.
Second year, and we used to go to the classes, both of us. And during calculation of the attendance, in the end, during end semester, our lecturer told that your name is not on the sheet. On the sheet only.
Okay.
And this was inside
So-
the lecture.
Our name wasn't in the attendance list.
Food or girlfriend?
Food.
Hometown or Patiala?
Patiala.
Private job or government job?
None.
Tequila or drought beer?
I don't drink.
Okay, favorite cartoon?
Tom and Jerry.
Name the first word that comes to your mind while talking to me.
Pretty.
Thank you.
Food or girlfriend?
Girlfriend. No.
Second thoughts. Second thoughts. Private job or government job?
Government job.
Solitaire or poker?
Poker.
Name the first word that comes to your mind while talking to me.
First word. I think.
Rapid fire. You need to be fast.
You'll get embarrassed.
No, it's okay.
I think that facial hair.
Okay.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Food or girlfriend?
Food.
Okay, hometown or Patiala? Tequila or drought beer?
Broadway.
Private or government job?
Private.
Favorite cartoon?
Pokemon.
For one word that comes in your mind while you're talking to me.
Cute.
Thank you so much. And the teacher you love the most, or you like the most?
Dr. Rajesh Khanna and Dr. Ajay Kakkar, because
Okay.
they were my teammates in Thapanu.
Changes probably girls' timings.
Girls' timing.
Yes.
Even I want that change.
Yes, the girls' timing.
Academically, I think courses need to be restructured.
Yeah.
So what we're doing in academics there is not of any significance.
Yeah, right. More practical.
Yeah.
Should be more practical.
Plus,
And
a
plus-
little more junior-senior interaction should be there.
Yeah.
And like you see a lot of bright girls coming.
Yeah, exactly. That is a good point. Okay.
Like those.
So, यहाँ पे एक बार खोल दे हम लोग, बस यहीं पे हो, अंदर बाहर जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं, और क्या चाहिए? गर्ल्स की एंट्री
12-1 बजे तक होनी चाहिए, like IITs.
नहीं, मेरे हिसाब से 7-8 बजे तक होनी चाहिए, लड़के फ्री हो जाते हैं.
Experience in Frosh.
Frosh is something that made my life at Thapar really from bottom to high. It was the starting of a lot of many things to come.
How did you started that campus thing that you started?
Campus Realities was something that issues that was supposed to be taken up by the organization of Thapar, but we took it up in a funny way so that students could openly attend classes.
Go and classes get detained and get your degree.
Finish your degree on time.
Be a rebel. Be a buggy.
What societies you were in?
Okay, I was the president of student of SAIC, as you all know.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Thank you. Then second Con Club,
Wow, nice.
Deputy Finance Aranya 13,
Okay.
Dipti OSC.
Counting.
Deputy OSC Urja 15,
Okay.
Inaugural Urja,
Oh, wow.
Mudra something.
She knows more.
Knox, a member of Knox.
Okay. So the list is going on.
This is going on. I can't
okay,
recall, but it's a long list.
Wow, nice.
A message that you would like to give to your juniors? Well, just work hard and enjoy.
Don't work hard and enjoy.